Today I'm going to show you how to make Magnalium Flash Powder. Check this out. To make our flash powder, we'll use potassium chlorate as the oxidizer, 100 mesh magnesium powder, and aluminum powder as our fuel, a ceramic crucible, and a scupula. Start by measuring out 1 gram of magnesium powder. Next, measure out 2 grams of potassium chlorate. And measure out 1 gram of 100 mesh dark aluminum powder. Since this mixture is sensitive to shock, use the diaper method by emptying all 3 powders into a beaker and then pour it into another beaker back and forth until your mixture is even. So right now I've got all 3 powders in one beaker and I'm just going to pour it back and forth until I have an even mixture. That looks like that. For safety, transfer your mixture to a ceramic crucible that's over a flame-retentive blanket behind a blast shield. And now we'll deflagrate today's flash powder using a handheld Tesla gun. Here we go. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing redox flash powder reaction. We start with reactants aluminum, magnesium, and potassium chlorate. We have 2 moles of aluminum, that's the 2Al, 6 moles of magnesium, that's the 6Mg, and 3 moles of potassium chlorate, that's the 3KClO3. When those combine and activation energy is provided by the discharge of the Tesla gun, we get the products aluminum oxide, magnesium oxide, and potassium chloride. We have 1 mole of aluminum oxide, that's the Al2O3. We have 6 moles of magnesium oxide, that's the 6MgO, and 3 moles of potassium chloride, that's the 3KCl. This is a reduction oxidation reaction as the magnesium and aluminum are both being oxidized as they lose electrons, and the chlorine atom in potassium chlorate is being reduced as it gains electrons in this awesome Magnalium flash powder demonstration. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.